Don't make money, it don't make sense. Free the bros locked down on some locked up shit. I see you out of town, niggas fucking your bitch. But I can't be mad at you, cause you not my bitch, you not mine. Cat need a break from it. It ain't really what you give, it's what you take from it. Hey, that's a really nice flaw, how much you pay for it? If I told you we was next, would you wait for it? Please wait, let you in, I pay for it. You made that bed, better lay in it. It don't matter what I say, can get away from it. I'm on the side of the bed, both knees on the ground, both hands on my head. I'ma pray for that bitch, ooh. I'm in my feelings just a little bit. Hey, been in my feelings for a little bit, nigga, ayy. But you not my bitch. It's so hard to show any emotion. Like my heart been sunburnt and this shit peeling. I need money, I can't focus on feelings. I put my feelings in sexual healings. Get out your feelings and get in your bag. Fuck it, let's go up and open a business. They know my name when I walk in the building. If she got a nigga, you know that I'm running my heart, and you know that I mean it. Why would you lie when you said you was different? All you had to do was play your position. Oh, this shit funny and I see how it switches. I got a last shit, I got a whip it. My bro need $1, I dug in my pocket. Before I bought guns and they knew I was with it. But now I bought guns so they know I'm a hitter. Shit, I gotta go, let's get this shit started. I got a text when I jumped in the party. She said you better not be in that party, but I'm already here, drunk off a party. You did me dirty, you kept with the pimp, and I fell off the bike. Mama, this shit hurt, it is what it is. No, I ain't complaining, I just need a bitch that's gon' show me she worth it. And no, I don't want no hoe. A hoe is a hoe that can't get no love from me. You know where we from, we had one of ours die incomplete like TLC. Now she on the backseat side of her best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. But I got a crazy ass bitch, she found out about us, that she gon' kill you and me. Don't make money, it don't make sense. Free the bros locked down on some locked up shit. I see you out of town, niggas fucking your bitch. But I can't be mad at you, cause you not my bitch, you not mine. Cat need a break from it. It ain't really what you give, it's what you take from it. Hey, that's a really nice flaw, how much you pay for it? If I told you we was next, would you wait for it? Please let me let you in, I done paid for it. You made that bed, better lay in it. It don't matter what I say, can get away from it. I'm on the side of the bed, both knees on the ground, both hands on my head. I'ma pray for that bitch, ooh. I'm in my feelings just a little bit. Hey, been in my feelings for a little bit, ayy. But you not my bitch, you not mine.